Hello you beautiful peeps, my name is John, welcome to my channel. Today we've got the Rlaarlo Rally V3 and doesn't she look gorgeous? Pop over to John Robinson RC Essentials where you get to see this car in all of its glory. I've taken a really close look on it, but I'll quickly go through the specs. This one that I have here is the alloy metal version and it is a 2852 3800 kV motor. On the carbon fibre version, that one has a 3650 motor with 3300 kV. That's in at $299.99. This one's at $249.99. You get everything that you get on the carbon fibre version, just a little bit cheaper, and I think that's quite a bargain. But how does it handle? We're going to find that out together. Let's get on. So, power on. As you can see, it's got a nice, easy removable shell on it. It's got the 3S battery, 2200 milliamp hour. The ESC can be moved out the way and put up on the tray here to give you a much bigger area. I fitted a 5000 milliamp hour in that slot there, so that's absolutely brilliant. To fit it into place, you've got these two little clips here and the one at the front. So you hold the clips out the side, clip it down, and if you see here, they clip into place like so. Let's see what this car can do. Just quickly, you've got the normal adjustments here, but the number 5 channel, that one is for gyro, I believe, because as you can see on the front wheels, they turn. Let's see when I turn that all the way off. Oh no, all the way up. Wow, shish kebabs. Nice. Okay, so what are we at? Yeah, that looks all right. Maybe down a smidge more. Also on number 4, press it. I can't see the lights on, Colin, yet. Cool. Can't see from that angle, the sun's right there. And number 3 gives you more acceleration, but not top speed. So, what can this car do? Oh, your first roll! That's the front. That's the front catching, isn't it? Let's not forget, ladies and gentlemen, this is the slower of the versions. I love it! It looks so good and I've damaged it already. Oh man! They've got the scale looks down, that's for sure. I'm making Colin work for his money today. For those people that don't know, as you can see, I'll stand in the shade there, you've got the indicator lights coming on. I believe that Rlaarlo are looking at putting a switch there to turn those off, because I know a lot of people hate them. I hate them, that's for sure. Nice. What do you think it looks like, Colin?
A rally car.
A rally car, what a compliment that is, eh? Ah, come on! The slowest crash in the history of this channel. You see the exhaust flames, Colin?
Yeah.
I absolutely love this little beast. For those of you that do not know, The chassis on this car is the same as the chassis on the Omni Terminator, and the very successful Omni Terminator that a lot of people absolutely love. So spare parts shouldn't be a problem. Oh yeah! Ladies and gentlemen, it's quite hard to explain on a video. You don't get to sort of feel it, but I hope you can see how well this car handles. I've just realised I've been stood in a big line of ants. I'm moving. Ah! I thought the brake was braking very hard by itself, but if I just accelerate and then let off the accelerator, it does roll. So it was just the brakes that were very responsive. I'll accelerate and then brake hard. Yeah. Absolutely love it. So ladies and gents, you get to see just the steepness of this gradient here as Colin's kindly panned around for us. Let's see. I really don't want to go full speed down here because you guarantee I'm going to lose control and it'll go flying off that. If you just quickly pan around and have a look at the cliff down this side, Colin. We don't want that to happen. No bueno. Whoa. Whoa. Absolutely brilliant. Oh. Oh, why you do that, John? We broken? Nope. I'm going to let Colin try in a minute because I'd like his opinion, but I have to say the actual handling is sublime. So Colin's going to give it a quick wang and see if it's any good. Let's go! He rolls it! So, what do you think of the handling, Colin?
Handles quite well.
Yeah? Good, bad?
Pretty good.
You see what I mean about it going where you want it to go?
Yeah.
fast, isn't it? Considering. I love that. Oh. Oh. Oh no. Rest in peace, Rlaarlo. Rlaarlo Rally V3. Oofta. It's like the real recovery of a real rally car. Do we have any damage? Nope. Nope. That is brilliant. Oh. Or do we? Oh, we may have damage. Oh no! Or is it just a big rock? Ooh, something is locked at the rear. Look in there. See that big stone? Over there with a stone. Look, look, look. Oh, look at that. I don't think you can go that close with that camera, Colin. So. Ow. Ow! Colin's just smiling. I want it to be noted, ladies and gents, we are on the same original battery. I brought 2 spare and we've not needed to change it as of yet. It's mightily impressive. So ladies and gents, what do you think of that footage? I hope it came across how absolutely awesome this car is. Both Colin and myself, we just had a quick chat and we both think that the handling is brilliant and it goes exactly where you want it to, which is what you want for an on-road car like this. You did see it was bumping up and down on not really the biggest rocks I've ever seen. So as far as off-road, I don't know how good it's going to be. We'll find that out at a later date. There were 2 things that I was worried about in my video, the unboxing video and closer look on the John Robertson RC Essentials, and that was the fact that this hinge here I was concerned was going to break, and these mounting points at the side I was very concerned were going to break. You've seen the amount of punishment we've given this car, you've seen the amount of rolls that's happened to it, and it's been absolutely brilliant. Obviously there's a certain amount of flex here, which is probably why it's getting away with it. Now, as far as damage is concerned, I think you can see that other than it being a little bit dirty, no idea why that has happened, there is no damage whatsoever, which is incredibly impressive for the things that we've hit so far. Yes, the shell has been scraped up. It's an RC car, it's bound to get scraped up, isn't it? But at the end of the day, nothing is bent, nothing is broken. I was concerned about the shock towers. They're straight as can be, and they're actually really quite thick now that I looked at them from the side. You could pick up a roller version of this for $199.99 for the pre-sale price, but why would you? For $249, so 50 euros more, you're going to get the motor, the ESC, the servo, and the controller, which also has the gyro on it. I don't know if I'd want the carbon fibre version just for the extra speed, because it seems perfectly fine with the speed that we have. We've rolled it enough times, I don't see the point of going much faster. So can I recommend this car to you guys? Listen, hand on heart, 100%. It is absolutely fripping brilliant. Well, thank you so much for watching. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Stay safe, take care. Bye-bye.